channel. My name is Jackie for those who are new, and thank you so much for watching. Today's 12 days of Christmas video is going to be a golden green festive makeup tutorial on this look I'm wearing right now. It's a bit of a hot mess because my allergies are so bad right now and this eye is watering just uncontrollably. But yeah, I can't remember, I'm like gonna sneeze. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you want to see how to get this makeup look, then just keep on watching. So sorry about the bad lighting here today. I don't know what's going on. It's very cloudy out, so that's probably why I'm trying to use like daylight mostly. So today's tutorial is going to be a holiday, festive gold green makeup look. I saw a few pictures just on Instagram doing holiday looks with these two colors paired, and I really liked it, so I wanted to try it out for myself and also use this new palette that I recently got that I haven't really been able to use that much. And my allergies are so bad this morning, so also sorry for that. So the palette I'm going to use today is the Persona Cosmetics Identity 2 palette. I got this during the Ulta Black Friday sale. It was like 30% off, but it looks like this. It will focus. And so we're going to use like these two colors today. So I just primed my eyes with my MAC paint pot, and I'm going to go in with the shade Kind and just set down that primer. And then I'm just going to start off in the crease, building up a transition shade. I'm going to start off the shade Loyal. So I have the first Persona Identity palette and I love it so much. Persona has great quality eyeshadows. They're super buttery and blendable and pigmented and honestly just some of the best. The packaging of the first one is just kind of like a cardboard magnetic packaging, and there's like I think there is a teeny little mirror in it. I don't remember exactly, I could be remembering that wrong. But this one's nice, plasticking, it closes like on a clasp. Has a nice big mirror in it. So, and then the quality of the eyeshadows remain the same as the first one, still as amazing as they are. So I just want to deepen up that crease shade a little bit. So I'm going to take the shade Brave, but it's a little darker than I want, so I'm going to dip in the Kind first just to kind of mix the two together and lighten it up a little bit. Christmas, I asked my mom to get me a ring light, like a real one, and she did. So hopefully after Christmas, when I get that, the lighting situation for my videos will be a lot better. We won't have like this weird shadow all the time, and it'll be easier for me to see what I'm doing. now I'm going to take the green shade in the palette called Driven, and this is a shimmer, but I'm going to use it on the outer corner and just pack this on there. What? 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 Ow, oh my god. Got a little kitty that wanted to come sit on my lap. Clawed her way up. I did drag that green into my crease a little bit once it was already packed onto the outer corner. I'm going to take my MAC Painterly paint pots again and use this to just clean up my lid space and prep for the gold color. Not really doing like any sort of precise cut crease or anything. Like, this is mainly just to clean everything up because the green shade is so dark that it did kind of, I don't want it to interfere with the integrity of this gold shade we're about to put down. I just want a nice blank canvas for that, basically. Now we're going to go in with the gold shade in the palette. This is a really, really intense, just true gold. And I'm going to pack this on the lid exactly right on top of where I just put down the paint pot. This is a Christmas gold for sure. I'm just going to take the brush that I used to apply the green shade, pick up a little bit more of that, and just kind of blend the two together on the center of the lid. And then just blending out the crease. That completes this eye look. I'm going to go off camera and do just like my base face makeup, and I will be back to finish off the lower lash line. So I did all my foundation, concealer, set it all down and all that, and put on my bronzer. I just used the Kat Von D Shaded Light palette and put my eyebrows on, and I also put some winged liner on because I felt like this look really needed some winged liner. So now going back into the Persona Identity 2 palette, I'm going to do the lower lash line, and this is just going to be super simple. Just try to find a pencil brush. I'm going to take a pencil brush and pick up Driven and just pack this all along the lower lash line. And that's all we're going to do for the lower lash line. And for the brow bone highlight, I'm just going to pick up Kind again and just keep it matte but highlighted. So I'm going to pick this up and just kind of dust this below the brow bone. And for the inner corner highlight, I'm going to use the highlighter I'm going to use later on my face. It's the Wet n Wild Golden Flower Crown, and I'm just going to use this to highlight my inner corner. For eyeliner, I'm going to use the Stila Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner in the shade Vivid Jade. It's like a really dark green. And I'm going to use this to tightline and waterline. For mascara, I'm just going to curl my lashes real quick. And then I'm still using the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And I'm putting this on my top and bottom lashes and no falsies. For blush, I'm going to use the Ciate London Marbled Light Blush in the shade Dusk. I just got this in the December BoxyCharm. I'm going to highlight my face with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the shade Golden Flower Crown. And then for lips, I'm just going to line quickly with my ColourPop BFF pencil. And for lipstick, I'm going to use the Persona Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade OG. That completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm sorry the lighting is pretty off today, and sorry it was kind of a hot mess because my allergies are just horrendous. So this eye is already watering pretty bad, so this makeup is not gonna last long. So hopefully I could get some good pictures out of it. But that completes this tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed again, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's 12 Days of Christmas video.